Did you need the organs too? Who wanted the stuff done this way?
She left.
Oh, she left.
One thing, the mesoduodenum.
Mesoduodenum.
Oh yeah.
Just that. Well, for me.
Well, let's run. It takes like 2 minutes, right?
Oh, diaphragm.
Diaphragm,
Liver, gallbladder, stomach, duodenum.
Now this is why I wanted to do that, because now this is,
The mesoduodenum.
yep,
So
Mesoduodenum
it's
is
this
connected.
part, right?
yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
This part connects to the duodenum. Yeah.
It's not duodenum, it's the stuff attached to the duodenum, that's mesoduodenum.
Where's the pancreas?
Okay, we do that.
It's underneath
Stomach.
the stomach, but it's hard to see.
Greater omentum.
Greater omentum.
So we lift this up. That's pancreas.
Little thing.
I
Yeah,
know, it's hard to get.
yeah. It's not very discernible, is it?
Yeah, it's.
But it's underneath the stomach that
Okay,
defines
as
that.
long as-
And this whole big thing here, which is always, much easily
So pancreas is always on the
under the stomach,
under the stomach.
spleen.
Spleens in the
So,
gutter.
so just to drive that point home again, stomach, there's the spleen, kind of all busted up, but that's the pancreas.
Pancreas, yeah, it looks different.
Liver, stomach, spleen, and this stuff.
Wow.
They ripped out that pancreas.
Yeah, it's a rough pancreas. And the pancreas goes right to the duodenum, correct?
Yes, because it has a duct that
duct,
goes
yeah.
into the duodenum.
Oh, you're gonna ask about the duct. Maybe we should go over the hip.
Not on this. That's on the specimen.
You
Specimen.
have the front.
Sorry, you can get closer.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Pretty good?